Olá a todos, cá estamos para mais episódio. Today I'm going to talk about my top 8 basic sentence connectors, also known as transitional words. These are special words that help you connect thoughts into more complex sentences. They will make you sound more natural and help you express yourself better in European Portuguese. Thank you so much for helping me reach 2,000 subscribers. I've noticed that many of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel yet. So if you enjoy my content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell to receive notifications to our new videos. This is our video number 100 on YouTube, so you have so much content available to learn with us. Now back to today's lesson's topic. Transitional words are divided into groups like to help express time, importance, cause effect, comparison, contrast, examples, and to add information. I will walk you through the most important ones to know, in my opinion. Então, vamos começar o tema de hoje. Mas is our word for but. A great simple word to stress contrast. Eu gosto de peixe, mas não de carne. O Nuno gosta de cães, mas tem uma casa pequena. E is the basic word to express adding information. It's the word for and. Eu tenho gato e uma tartaruga. Nós gostamos de cantar e de dançar. Também is our word for also and to. It is used to add information. Eu gosto de maçãs. A Ana também gosta de maçãs. O João estuda bastante. Eu também estudo muito. If someone tells you a sentence in the negative and you agree with that negative, you will have to use também não, as in me neither or neither do I. Eu não gosto de sopa. Eu também não. Eu não li nada hoje. Eu também não li. While we have several words for because, porque is the most common. It might be tricky to pronounce, so let me repeat. Porque. Eu gosto de salada porque é saudável. Nós vamos à praia porque é divertido. O is our word for or. And it's great to express an alternative. Queres ir à praia ou ao campo? Queres visitar Paris ou Londres? The word então is commonly used as then to describe time events and as so as a cause effect. Depends on the context, really. Então, o que vamos fazer? Soube, então, que ele tinha um carro. Depois is our word for after. Great to use to describe an order of events. Primeiro, faço o jantar. Depois, lavo a louça. Vou ao cinema e depois vou dançar. This is our word for while, as, at, the same time as. Great to describe things that are done at the same time. Enquanto. Enquanto eu cozinho, podes pôr a mesa? O Nuno comia enquanto respondia a e-mails. These are some of my top transition words. After this episode, try to read a news article or hear an interview on Portuguese TV, and you will see how commonly these words are used. Leave me a like and a comment. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you soon. Tchau! Bons estudos!